Hi, Kathy. Are you happy that you can be with me again outside in the cold in the public park? Are you happy?
Yes.
Okay, me too. New setup to the XP Deus V5 because I just only have the basic setup with the basic earphone, and with this you can put somehow the basic earphone here, and there is also a jack input. So let's see, what did I buy? So this is the basic earphone to the XP Deus, you see, and you can take off this from here. Okay, and this you need to be capable to hear also with earphone the signal. I just don't know how. I think like this, maybe should be like this, but I'm not sure. This, but I don't want to force it. Yes. Now it's on.
Congratulations!
This somehow I have to put here in. I got it. So this we don't need anymore. This you can push like this, and here is this holder. You can see it's exactly the same shape, so even I'm stupid, I cannot make mistake. And this also totally easily simple, and it's here inside. Yes, and here you can see the output of jack. Okay, now the earphone. Let's see if it's working or not. Okay, now turn on, push the on. Okay, it's working very well. I am almost deaf. Oh, it's too loud. Oh, it's too loud.
You need to control.
Buttercup, this, and you can hear, I'm sure you can hear, it's really high tone, and 90, the number is 90, upper 90, that's the point. The cent, almost nothing, I discriminated. The 5 cent, this is a 20 cent, it's 80 something, yes, 80. First target 50, 40, 50. Unfortunately this 40 is a foil. Oh, okay, the foil I cannot discriminate. Okay, 85. I think this should be really money. Coin. Okay, this signal, this is a 50-cent coin, and the signal it was 84. Okay, and my experience now that I can finally discriminate the bottle caps. The bottle caps here in Munich, in Germany, the biggest problem of me, because yes, the Germans like to drink beer, and that's why everywhere you find here in Germany bottle caps, and bottle caps are my biggest enemy. But finally now I could to discriminate the bottle caps. I just dig really sometimes when the signal is near from the cent, from the 50 cent, between 89, 90 something, but higher than 90 it's 100% bottle cap. Let's continue to dig. In this hole I found first this 2 cent and next the 10 cent, and the metal detector show me exactly the 80, 84, 80 something, still the same place. It was here the 10 cent and the 2 cent, and next there is 20 cent and 2 cents, and the signal it was 85 between 90. First I told the bottle cap, but no, it was 20 cents.
But there's different signal.
Okay, but under 90, this is important. Under 90, upper 90, 100% bottle cap. These are my finds for today. The coins and the trash, but I just only dig the bottle caps to be 100% sure it's a bottle cap or not. And unfortunately the foils you cannot discriminate, not all kind of the foils, but never mind, at least the bottle caps you can. Buy these two things, two stuff, this and this, and you can create from the cheapest earphone a real good, usable, efficient metal detector. And these two stuff all in all about 35 euro. And if you want to buy the normal remote control, it costs 500 euro. Okay, then we meet next time. Bye.